CICU devices.
Synflow 3.0 explained, the next generation percutaneous left ventricle assist device. The Synflow 3.0 is an advanced percutaneous ventricular assist device developed by ForQaly Medical to provide temporary mechanical circulatory support during high-risk percutaneous coronary interventions and cases of cardiogenic shock. The system unloads the left ventricle by continuously pumping blood from the left ventricle into the ascending aorta through a transvalvular axial flow catheter. Unlike Impella CP, Synflow 3.0 features an extracorporeal reusable motor, while only the pumping catheter is inserted into the patient. This architecture aims to reduce device cost, simplify maintenance, and minimize heat generation inside the body. It also reduces electromagnetic interference, substantially reducing the likelihood of device cross-interference. Furthermore, eliminating the intracorporeal motor shortens the catheter's non-flexible rigid segment, boosting overall trackability. The softer catheter profile navigates complex vascular anatomies with greater ease and reduces mechanical trauma to native heart valves and myocardial tissue. Finally, it restructures the total cost of care model, shifting the motor from a single-use disposable component to a reusable hardware unit, delivers sharp reductions in per-procedure costs. The device is inserted through femoral artery with a 14 French introducer sheath, and it can deliver a peak flow around 4 liters per minute, providing substantial circulatory support. One theoretical, although not clinically demonstrated, concern associated with percutaneous pLVADs is the generation of microscopic particulate debris during prolonged high-speed operation. To address this issue, ForQaly Medical developed its proprietary Clinfusion or Clean Perfusion Technology. Using a dedicated multilumen catheter design, sterile perfusion fluid is delivered to the distal tip of the catheter and divided into 2 separate pathways. One stream flows forward into the arterial circulation, creating a barrier that prevents blood from refluxing into the transmission system. The second stream circulates backward along the drive shaft toward the external console, continuously lubricating the mechanical components while carrying wear particles away from the patient. By isolating the transmission system from the systemic circulation, this design aims to prevent particulate debris from entering the bloodstream during prolonged mechanical support. From a regulatory perspective, Synflow entered the Chinese National Medical Products Administration Innovative Medical Device Pathway in 2023, and it has progressed through multiple clinical studies, including the PERSIST program. Synflow 3.0 is currently undergoing clinical evaluation in humans. In 2026, a multi-center randomized trial compared Synflow 3.0 with VA ECMO in patients undergoing elective high-risk PCI. The study demonstrated non-inferiority for the primary endpoint and fewer device-related complications. However, the study has important limitations, as VA ECMO is not the standard prophylactic support strategy in this setting and is not physiologically comparable to a microaxial pump. Consequently, although the results are encouraging, additional trials comparing Synflow 3.0 with no mechanical support or intra-aortic balloon pump are required before its routine use can be recommended. In conclusion, Synflow 3.0 represents an exciting new entrant in the field of temporary mechanical circulatory support, introducing several engineering innovations that may improve accessibility, safety, and cost-effectiveness while maintaining effective left ventricular unloading. Further clinical experience will determine its future role alongside established percutaneous pLVAD technologies.
If you've enjoyed our video, please press the like button and subscribe to support us so we can continue creating quality content like this.